So I'm done spray painting my pots, and that's how they look. So that's how they look right now. I'm giving them a little time to dry, and then fill it up with the potting mix. While the pot takes some time to dry, I have left it to dry. I'm going to make my potting mix. I've taken vermicompost, cocoa fiber, and river sand. So I'm going to make a mixture of these two. I'm taking equal parts of the soil and the river sand, and I'm going to mix them up and fill it up in the pots. So I'm done mixing both of them, the sand and the vermicompost and the coco peat. So that's how it is. And now I've opened up the bag as well, the Senseveria bag. I've got around I think it's completely root bound. It's I don't know how old the plant is, but it is completely root bound. You can see the size of the rhizome. It's pretty big, and I think it has around 3 to 4 plants in it. I have tried trying to divide it, but I am unable to, so I have decided to drench it in some water for a while and then try dividing it. So I have a bucket of water here, and I'm gonna put it in the bucket of water now. So I've drowned it. I have soaked it in some water, and now I'm going to leave it for about a half an hour's time, and then try to divide it into 3 to 4 parts. Finished cleaning all the soil out of the roots, and that's how it looks. You can see the root structure. It's wonderful. It's amazing. And it's such a wonder that in such a small plant, so many in such a small bag, all these plants grew, survived, and thrived. I don't have words to express my feelings, but I'm like overwhelming. It's completely overwhelming, and I just love how the plants survive. Now I'm going to pot them in the pot that I've shown earlier. It is completely dried, and now we are going to make an arrangement of snake plant and the peace lily. I've successfully untangled the roots, and it has got 1, 2, 3 and 4 plants here, and I'm going to cut this one here, this part here, and a part here, because I want these two in one pot and the other two in another pot. So I'm going to make those 2 cuttings there. And yes, it had a single leaf hanging around, and I thought it was a broken leaf, but what I see, it has got roots as well. So this is going to make a brand new plant for me. It has got a root from a broken leaf. So I'm going to plant this along with the small plant here. So now I'm going to fill my pot with the mix that I have made. I've also taken out the peace lily out of the bag, and that's our peace lily. So this is going to go in the front, and on the side we'll have the small Senseveria, and at the back we are going to have our bigger plants. So I have completed the potting, and that's how it looks right now. It's very pretty actually. I'm very happy with the output.